Natural methods for eradicating roaches. Cypress oil, when diluted, emits a potent odor that repels roaches. Try blending a few drops of cypress oil with water in a spray bottle, or using it in a diffuser. Baking soda is a popular chemical-free method to swiftly eliminate roaches. Simply place a dish of it where roaches gather. They'll consume it, resulting in their demise. Indoor plants like rosemary, catnip, and mint serve as natural roach repellents, eliminating the need for toxic chemicals or messy traps. Rosemary, in particular, is highly effective due to its toxicity to roaches. Make a bouquet of bay leaves, garlic, and catnip and hang them in your food cabinets and pantry. Cleanliness. Keep your home clean, eliminating food sources and hiding spots for roaches. Natural methods for eradicating roaches. Coffee. Spread fresh coffee grounds in easy-to-access areas. Citronella. It's a known mosquito repellent and can be used to repel bugs like roaches from coming near your home. Lavender. Using lavender oil spray around your home can create a calming atmosphere and repel insects such as roaches. Peppermint is another scent that roaches find unwelcoming, so diffusing peppermint oil or creating a concoction with water and spraying it around your home can help keep the bugs at bay. Natural methods for eradicating roaches. Citruses, oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits all give off strong citrus scents that roaches hate. Bay leaves. This common grocery store ingredient gives off a strong odor that roaches don't like, which is why placing leaves in small bowls where you want to keep roaches away can work in your favor. Garlic. Sprinkle garlic powder inside your kitchen cabinets or in other discreet areas where roaches are unwelcome.